Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcoming V. Satish Kumar, Chairman and Director Marketing, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Heartiest welcome to you.
Welcome to Chairman of Indian Oil, Mr. Satish Kumar. And ma'am, thank you very much for coming here and gracing and being a big partner for Indian Oil Extra Tej presents India Gourmet Lux 2024. So big welcome.
Good evening, esteemed guests, dignitaries, and dear friends. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome you all to the Indian Oil Extrate Presents Indian Gourmet Lux Season 2, where flavors wedge luxury. In a celebration of culinary artistry and entertainment excellence, tonight we gather as one community with some of the brightest minds and talents from the wedding, hospitality, and culinary industries, alongside gifted performers who will make the night truly unforgettable. The evening is more than a showcase of gourmet delicacies. It's an opportunity for all of us to come together, connect, explore new trends that will shape the wedding and events industry future. For the exquisite dishes to the handcrafted cocktails, captivating performances, we've curated a night designed to sparkle inspiration and celebrate excellence of luxury. I want to take a moment to extend my deepest gratitude to Team Gourmet Lux, who have worked tirelessly, pouring their hearts into every detail to ensure this event is nothing short of a spectacular. Your commitment and passion have made tonight possible. For that, I thank you all. A special thank you to Bismil Ki Mehfil, along with all the celebrities, singers, performers who have honored us with their presence and talent. For all of you, we have some surprise performances that I know will leave you enchanted. As we enjoy this beautiful evening, let's not celebrate the moment, but also look forward to what lies ahead. Together, let's continue to elevate our industries, support one another, and work towards an evening for more successful years ahead, filled with innovation, collaboration, and excellence. Thank you. Please enjoy the night.
My name is Sachin Kumbhar. Gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you. शादी में खाना सबसे important होता है. अगर खाना सही नहीं है तो मजा नहीं आता, right? And the great thing is now the dynamics of food and catering have completely changed. And it's all thanks to each one of you who's present here who makes it happen. So thank you once again. And it's an immense pleasure to welcome all of you to Indian Oil Indian Extra Tej presents India Gourmet Lux 2024, powered by Doers. And time now for me to invite on stage somebody who's going to take us through that special segment. Ladies and gentlemen, I hand over the stage to one and only Anurag from Indian Oil. It's all yours.
India Gourmet Lux Season 2, personally curated with love by the one and only Sri Sanjeev Kapoor sir himself, is now truly showcasing the spectrum of its colors in the form of this mesmerizing array of tasty food, exquisite beverage, innovative decorations and whatnot. देवियों और सज्जनों, जो एनर्जी और इनोवेशन का ये वातावरण इंडिया गवर्नमेंट लक्स ने तैयार किया है, यही एनर्जी, यही ऊर्जा, यही नवीनता इंडियन ऑयल का भी पर्याय है. हमारा तो ध्येय वाक्य ही है द एनर्जी ऑफ इंडिया. चाहे वो ऊर्जा के पारंपरिक स्रोत हों, पेट्रोल, डीजल, एलपीजी, या ऊर्जा के नवीन प्रकार के स्रोत हों जैसे पीएनजी यानी पाइप्ड नेचुरल गैस, सीएनजी, सोलर, पवन ऊर्जा, इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल, चाहे किसी प्रकार की ऊर्जा हो, इंडियन ऑयल अपनी विशाल भौगोलिक उपस्थिति और अपनी असीम इच्छा शक्ति तथा संकल्प शक्ति की वजह से हर प्रत्येक भारतवासी, हर तबके के भारतवासी के हर प्रकार की ऊर्जा को, ज़रूरत को पूरा करता है. सो विदाउट वेटिंग एनी फर्दर, I would like to kindly invite on stage Shri Sanjeev Kapoor sir and Chairman and Director Marketing Indian Oil Shri V. Satish Kumar sir on stage.
Namaskar. Thank you very much for being part of such a lovely evening. Thank you very much for all the love, affection, and good wishes. And thank you to Shri Satish Kumarji, who has recently taken over as chairman of Indian Oil Corporation, one of the largest corporations, heartbeat of this country. And I'm proudly associated with Indian Oil for Indian Extra Tej as the brand ambassador for that. So thank you for that opportunity and that belief. Thank you very much. We all know, and since the large part of industry here is food and beverage, I just want your quick thoughts on how do you see जितने ये highways इतने नए बन रहे हैं उसमें anything that hotel, caterers, restaurants, they can contribute in the story that Indian Oil is writing.
Good evening to all of you, and at the outset, thanks Sanjeev ji for this opportunity. Speaking about what you're talking about, Indian Oil taking care of the not only the domestic cooking gas requirements, but per se, I must say I'm more concentrating on the safety and the well-being of all my people, especially the caterers and the commercial installations. And wayside amenities is one thing which is coming up very strongly in the country. And greenfield express highways are developing all across the quadrilateral that is connecting northeast, southwest, and the north-south corridor and the east-west corridor. In this, we are expecting around 1,000 such wayside amenities going to come up. And the future of the travel and the entire thing is going to go for a big change. I am looking forward for all my friends here to come and establish their units in our wayside amenities, make a win-win combination for the customers, and I'm quite sure we welcome each one of you with open arms and give all the facilities what is required. In the process of your whatever winning combination we can develop, we are certainly there for it.
I'm sure we have a lot of partners from different, we have top hoteliers, 1,000 just wayside amenities. And with what is the scale of wayside amenity typical?
A typical wayside amenity is to the extent of 20 acres.
20 acres.
And we go as high as 40 acres also.
So 1,020 to 40 acres facilities on highways are going to come up in near future. That is the opportunity that lies ahead in near future. This is not distant future.
It is very much on the courts.
It is amazing. So I think the floor is open to everyone and anyone who wants to be part of that. And I'm sure there's a process that they can partake. But thank you once again.
आज का दौर गति और बचत का है, क्षमता और उत्पादकता का है, फुल लेंथ वीडियो की जगह रील्स और शॉर्ट्स का है। इसीलिए हमने इंडियन ऑयल के एलपीजी विभाग यानी इंडेन ने आपके यानी आप अपने ग्राहकों की समय तथा खर्च में बचत करने और क्षमता में वृद्धि करने के लिए अपना एक अनूठा प्रोडक्ट एक्स्ट्रा तेज को 9 सितंबर 2020 में लॉन्च किया था। और अपनी तमाम खासियतों की वजह से यह सिलेंडर मात्र 4 वर्षों की ही अवधि में 77% सेल्स में वृद्धि हासिल कर चुका है। और करे भी क्यों ना, इस प्रोडक्ट के साथ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर के रूप में स्वयं श्री संजीव कपूर सर जुड़े हुए हैं। तो जो एक्स्ट्रा तेज सिलेंडर पारंपरिक सिलेंडर्स की अपेक्षा इतना खास है, उसकी रूप और उसका अपीयरेंस भी कुछ खास होना चाहिए। और आज इस एक्स्ट्रा तेज सिलेंडर का न्यू अवतार लॉन्च करना, उसके लिए इंडियन ऑयल इंडेन एक्स्ट्रा तेज प्रेजेंट्स इंडिया गोमे लक्स सीजन 2।
Yes.
बदलते दौर में, मॉड्यूलर किचन के इस दौर में हमें ये आभास हुआ कि हमारे ग्राहकों को यानी आपको एक सुरक्षित, हल्का और सुंदर सिलेंडर प्रोवाइड किया जाए, आपूर्ति की जाए, जो कि न केवल दिखने में सुंदर हो, न केवल सुविधा करने में आसान हो, लेकिन आपके सुंदर रसोई घरों की सुंदरता में और चार चांद लगाए. सो हियर इज another product from Indian Oil, Indian, which is available in 5 kg and 10 kg capacity. Indian Oil, Indian composite cylinders. सर, उसका नामकरण आज के इस खास समारोह में हम करना चाहते हैं. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Indian Extra Light.